Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video, and for today's video we're going to do another unboxing. Yes, another unboxing for you guys, but this time it's a huge Coach collective haul. How do you say it? Coach collective haul. Huge Coach collective haul. Yes, it's a collective haul. I think these bags were collected for the past 6 months by my friend. She's my friend from the Coach Facebook group, and she was able to order bags for me in their state through the found orders. I'm not the best person to talk about found orders because I'm new to Coach and those terminologies. But as far as I know, found orders are items that were deleted bags or items from the Coach retail, and they were sent to the outlets, but not all the outlets has those bags. So what you can do when you go to the store is ask if they do found orders, have your style number ready, and then they can look it up for you. Unfortunately, the outlets near me, they do found orders, but then the items that I was looking for is not in their system. So some states like Texas, or where the flagship stores for Coach, they have a good amount of bags through found orders. So I have a friend who lives in the East Coast. She's lucky enough to have their outlets with good Coach bags that are deleted from the Coach retail. So what I usually do, I give her my style number, and then she will look it up for me, and once she found those, she will order it for me, and then to save for the shipping, we will collect them, and then when I'm ready to have her ship it to me, then I'll just let her know that you can send it over. So these bags I'm going to show you are probably collected within the past 6 months. Though I've been buying from the Coach outlet website, these items were hard to find. That's why I need her help. So here it is. Here's a big box. It's heavy. I think I have 8 items here or 7. I'm not 100% sure, but yes, around that number. But before I show it to you, I want to say welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review video, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing, and for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for your love and support. Now, as you can see, I already opened the box. But everything is still in their packaging. So there you go. She really packed it nicely, and everything almost, I think almost all of them were in like brand new from the factory. The one thing I really like about her, if she received an item that has damage, she return it or exchange it. I don't need to worry about like she will send it to me in a bad condition. So I really love her for that. Dawn, if you're watching, thank you so much. So let's start with the first item. Yeah, 7 or 8 items in here. So I can put this one down, and then we'll start with the first item here. By the way, the items that I got here, some of them were purchased when it was 60% off, and some of them were 70% off. So this is the first bag. I was surprised I was able to find this. I was looking for the smaller one, but then the smaller tote was unavailable. But then she was able to find this. She just like messaged me like, Tracy, I was able to find this. Do you want me to order it for you? So I said, yes, why not? I think this was 70% off when she got it. Some of them I can remember which are 60% off, which are 70% off, but this one, I think this is 70% off. So here it is. Here is the bag. This is the canvas tote in the size 38. Wow, I didn't expect this is big. I have the Dempsey Jacquard tote, and yes, that's smaller, but yeah, I'm happy with this one because since I have the smaller one, why not have a bigger tote? And I like it. It's canvas. It's really good for summer. The bags that she was able to get are brand new from the factory. So this is what the bag looks like. Has the big love, and it is canvas in material and leather. The strap is leather, and this part is leather. So this is the hang tag. It says Coach New York, and at the back it says there, oh, this way, inspired by Bonnie. Is it Bonnie Cashin? It has brass hardware. So this is the side, just plain canvas, and the back, I like it. I really like it. And then the bottom has no fit. So if you're wearing this one, you can either wear it with the big glove, or if you want to be discreet or like simple, just wear the other side with no print. The inside of the bag, it has magnetic closure, like magnetic snap closure. Yep, not that strong though, but it's nice. And huge Coach crate. This is, they call it story patching, right? Yeah, it's inspired by Bonnie Cashin, our first head of designer, who famously said, "Less coat, more tote." That's cute. I'm really happy with this bag. It's a cute tote, and I'm so ready to wear this spring or summer. So let's do a try on. Try on this tote. The leather strap is a little stiff for now, but hopefully it will soften up as I use it. There we go. And if I wear it without the big glove, it's really nice. There you go. This is our first bag, our love tote, size 38. So second item is a shoulder strap. Yes, I have been seeing this at the Coach Facebook group, and they really like this. Then I got curious and I said, why not just order this for me? And at the time, this one was 60%. And it's nice that it comes with a dust bag. Yes, it comes with a dust bag. And then this is the shoulder strap with brass detail or brass chain at the middle, like leather and chain at the middle. I think they come in with the like gunmetal or pewter, the black one for this shoulder strap, but I didn't get the chance to order that. Oh, this is the part that I saw that's really cute. That's why I got interested. I've seen them posting pictures of this shoulder strap with this little guy. That's why I ordered this one. The Rexy. How cute. It's tiny. Look at that, how tiny it is. It's a cute detail for this shoulder strap. So this is the chain strap, style number 87322. So there you go. This is the shoulder strap with the little Rexy. That's cute. If I see a bag that I can put this on, I'll try it on for you guys. So now let's proceed to the third item. I remember this one. We were able to buy this for 60%. I have the same design for this particular bag, but then this color I wasn't able to order, so I asked her to find it for me. It did show at the Coach outlet at one point, but then she already got this for me, so I didn't order it through the website. So this is the color black dinky. Style number is 891701. So this is the bag. and it says chalk multi, but this is like the elm color, but I'm not 100% sure. So I have the dark teak and Pacific blue. I think that's the one that I have. So probably I'll show it to you in some other video, the 3 dinkies. But anyway, so let's open this bag because I know there's a leather. Oh, that's cute. It comes with a dust bag, the 1941 dust bag. And then, oh, this is the reason why I asked for this one, because when I saw Coach Craze, Alana made a video of this, and then I was surprised that the shoulder strap for this dinky is wide. That's the one of the reasons why I was looking for this bag. I like the other dinky, which has a thinner shoulder strap. So there you go. This is the bag. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. So this is the front of the bag. It has a burnished color to it. It has a turn lock closure. And this is the side with the colored chalk. And this is the back with the slip pocket and a slip pocket. Let's see if the phone can fit. Yes, it can fit in there, but it can squish the items inside. But yes, here's the bottom. Let's open it. Ooh, cloth and leather inside, and it's ox blood. And the inside has that 1941 canvas with a big slip pocket with the 1941 canvas as well. And let's put our phone, if it can fit in their pocket. It can fit up to that part. You cannot close it. Maybe if I have a smaller phone, I can close the zipper pocket. And then I have a front pocket too. This is cute. I like the color. It's very neutral. Yeah, so this is the side. And let's look at the shoulder strap. Shoulder strap has 2 colors, the taupe color and the chalk color on the other side. Let's do a try on this bag. If I wear it as a over my shoulder, as a long shoulder bag, this is how it looks like. And then if I put it as a crossbody, this is how it looks like. The shoulder strap has 5 adjustments with grommets. Right now it's on the shortest setting. Let's try it on the longer setting, more for my height. It's a crossbody. There you go. Crossbody bag. So that's it for our 3rd item. It's a Coach Dinky color block. These are all good bags. Alright, our 4th item, the Coach Rambler in the varsity stripe. I don't know what I was thinking, but then I messaged her if she can find the Rambler in the varsity stripe. I don't know. I don't know my reason behind for getting this, because I have the elm and then I have the hibiscus. Now I asked her to look for this one. This is the varsity stripe Rambler. Style number is 89139. Oh, look at that. It's brand new from the factory. Let's open it up. This is cute. So this is the back. This is the varsity stripe Rambler in the color chalk, and this is the front with the varsity stripe. It has a turn lock closure. And let's look at the side. The side has a hang tag with, I think, Coach original hang tag, and then it has that shoulder strap, which is buckle style, and the hole says grommets, which is nice. And then at the back it has a slip pocket, which is big enough to fit a phone. And then on the other side, and let's look at the bottom. So let's open the bag. This is what the bag looks like. Ooh, leather. Looks like straw color. Yep, it looks like the straw color. And then the inside, it looks like this with the 1941 canvas with a zipper pocket, which is thick. Look at that. And look at the detail on the zipper pull. It's cute. And it has a card slot on the other side. Ooh, this is very roomy. I like it. I like it. Addition to my chalk bags. Maybe I should do a chalk collection, like bags in chalk color for Coach. So let's try on. Okay, here it is. The Coach Rambler. Just over your shoulder. And as a crossbody. Put it to the shortest setting so that if I want it to just be over my shoulder. So this is on the shortest setting, and then if you put it over my shoulder, that's how it looks like. It's nice. I'm going to put it as a crossbody. I've seen people wear it this short as a crossbody. It's their preference, so yes. That's it for our Varsity Stripe Rambler. Now let's proceed to our next bag. This bag is a surprise because when I was browsing Coach.com, I saw this bag on sale. And then I asked her if she can find this for me. And luckily, this was available through Found Order.